from applying for anticipatory bail in relation to an offense while he is in custody in a different offense, as that would be against the purport of the provision and the intent of the legislature. Sorry. The only restriction on the power of the court to grant anticipatory bail under Section 438 of the CRPC is the one prescribed under subsection 4 of Section 438 of the CRPC and in other statutes like the Atrocity Act, etc. 3. While a person already in custody in connection with a particular offense apprehends arrest in a different offense, then the subsequent offense is a separate offense for all practical purposes. This would necessarily imply that all rights conferred by the statute on the accused as well as the investigating agency in relation to the subsequent offense are independently protected. 4. The investigating agency, if it deems necessary for the purpose of interrogation/investigation in an offense, can seek remand of the accused while he is in custody in connection with the previous offense, so long as no order granting anticipatory bail has been passed in relation to the subsequent offense. However, if an order granting anticipatory bail in relation to the subsequent offense is obtained by the accused, it shall no longer be open to the investigating agency to seek remand of the accused in relation to the subsequent offense. Similarly, if an order of police remand is passed before the accused is able to obtain anticipatory bail, it would thereafter not be open to the accused to seek anticipatory bail, and the only option available to him would be to seek regular bail. 5. We are at one with Mr. Dave that the right of an accused to protect his personal liberty within the contours of Article 21 of the Constitution of India, with the aid of the provision of anticipatory bail, as enshrined under Section 438 of the CRPC, cannot be defeated or thwarted without a valid procedure established by law. He is right in his submission that such procedure should also pass the test of fairness, reasonableness, and manifest non-arbitrariness on the anvil of Article 14 of the Constitution of India. 6. Under Section 438 of the CRPC, the precondition for a person to apply for pre-arrest bail is a reason to believe that he may be arrested on an accusation of having committed a non-bailable offense. Therefore, the only precondition for exercising the said right is the apprehension of the accused that he is likely to be arrested. In view of the discussion in the preceding paragraphs, custody in one case does not have the effect of taking away the apprehension of arrest in a different case. 7. If the interpretation as sought to be put forward by Mr. Luthra is to be accepted, the same would not only defeat the right of a person to apply for pre-arrest bail under Section 438 of the CRPC, but may also lead to absurd situations in its practical application. We have also explained why Narinderjit Singh Sahni should not come in the way of applying. So we are dismissing the appeal with a clarification that now the bail will be heard on its own merits. Beautifully read. Thank you. For appearing, we have allowed the petition. We appoint Shri Justice Mohit S. Shah, former Chief Justice of the High Court of Judicature at Bombay, to act as the sole arbitrator. The fees of the arbitrator, including other modalities, shall be fixed in consultation with the parties. It is made clear that all the rights and contentions of the parties are left open for adjudication by the learned arbitrator.
Finally,
Fine.
In 1502, I'm not in the matter, I have nothing to do with the merits. But when your lordships were hearing the constitution bench on this issue, Lord, my lords were pleased to require the original file of the government to be placed for my lord's consideration, which was placed. Lord, if that can be returned.
can be fair.
Yes.
When the seven judge matter was going.
Yes, at that time, my lords.
Yes, of course, that. Make sure that is returned to the Solicitor General.
Lords, if I may, if I can mention, my lords, there's a matter for which we've sent an email. We have also gone between 10 and 10:30, as your lordships have mentioned. It's listed tomorrow before the single judge division bench of the Madras High Court. Despite judgments of the Madras High Court which say quashing petitions must be heard by single judges, about 30 matters have been heard and disposed of, dismissing the quashings. We are a little concerned.
Yes. All other mentioning applications, the moment we rise, I'll pass orders so that we'll have orders by the
Except for these are matters before your lordships, after notice matters. Lords, concerning the university which your lordships have been hearing in part, Lords. Sorry, my lords. My lords, it was last listed before your lordships bench, my lords, on 13th of...
First. Therefore, my lord, I am taking it in that spirit. Please have a look at, my lord, this left-hand side and the right-hand side, my lord. Kindly go through it, my lord, with some, my lord, degree of attention. Your lordships, I have gone through, my lord.
Certificate, yeah. Yeah.
उसमें कुछ होगा था.
May I answer? Well, the death certificate was given at 1:47 p.m. Malats, and the UD entry was at 2:55 at the police station. 2:55.
861.
That's right. There's the second question, your lordships. Subsequent proceedings, whether the inquest report or the CJM's order and all other documents.
what is the GD entry by virtue of which 861 of 2024 comes into existence?
565.
565.
Yes. The entry 565.
And what time is GD entry 565 recorded?
At night, Malat. 2:55 p.m. Malat. 565, 2:55 p.m. I can hand it over.
So GD 565
At 2:55 p.m.
is recorded at 2:55.
Yes.
GD was
Yes, it's there.
23:30.
This is a
But
certified copy, Malat.
565 is merely a medical
This is
certificate.
a certified copy, Malat.
Page 64.
Extract
I
from
have
the
the copy of
Tala
GD.
Police
It said
Station daily register. It's not a
3:30.
medical entry.
Look at 11:30 night. I have the copy.
No, I have a copy too.
Certified.
If certified copy, we've just given it to the court. At the same time. Inquest.
What is the time?
Yeah, give yours. Just make sure, let's not.
Judicial magistrate,
4:20 to 4:40.
the judicial magistrate arrives and conducts it.
And the judicial magistrate arrives and conducts it. He comes at 4:10. And then the inquest is conducted at 4:20 to 4:40.
Inquest is videographed.
And the inquest is videographed.
Yes, and the same has been saved on a card which we can.
Civil also, second question, when was the search and seizure actually carried out?
This one is just 8:30 to 10:45. 8:30 to 10:45. The photographs had been taken before, Madas.
8:30 in the morning or in the evening?
Evening, Madas.
The body was found in the morning at 9:30.
That's
so
right.
it cannot be
Photographs were
before that.
taken.
It's only when
Once the body was removed, Malaj, for post-mortem, then only, Malaj.
And by whom? There is some relevance. Therefore, my lord, I would like my learned friend to ask. There is some relevance.
Malaj, we have photographs from 12:45 p.m. onwards of everything that happened. We have the original with us.
During the course of the previous hearings, and therefore I think though the investigation is going on, we can share this because you've all said it openly.
Yes, Malaj.
That there is evidence that there is a CCTV footage to indicate what time the accused
Yes.
enters the seminar room and what time he's exiting the seminar room.
Correct.
Right? This is
Yeah.
shared with us. Now, obviously, therefore, there would be CCTV footage after 4:30 in the morning throughout the day.
Yes, there
Now,
will be.
has the CCTV footage in its entirety been handed over to the CBI?
Yes.
Yes, we have taken.
Yes.
We have taken.
You have taken the CCTV
have taken,
yes.
footage.
We had to reconstruct the scene because of the distance.
But then, Mr. Solicitor, how do you explain this statement in your affidavit at small Roman 3 at page 14? Just see the last sentence.
My report, my lords?
Yes.
Yes. Page 14, my lords.
Just one para above 7.
Yes, my lord. The SOC was apparently visiting you.
You handed over, as the Calcutta police handed over to the CBI, the entire footage of the proceedings which took place between 8:30 p.m. and 10:45 p.m. Because CBI seems to have
Yes.
What is shared with us
is about 27
minutes.
27 minutes, they say. The
4 clippings totaling duration to 27 minutes. And the proceedings conducted from 17:06, that is 5/6, to 22:45 hours.
Mr. Sibal said that
Well,
they have actually
I'm
conducted from
taking
8:30 p.m., that is 20:30.
I'm just taking instructions.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, all right. 2 separate things, Malaj. Seizure 8:30 to 10:45. Seizure 8:30 to 10:45 given. Then, Malaj, in parts, the videos have been given. In parts, there was some CCTV in hard disk. In parts, completely given, Malaj. There was some technical glitch. It was stored in part, but given in full. Hard disk is full. And he's made a statement that I've given it.
It's, in this context, I need to, my lord, come in, my lord, here. Because there is something, my lord, which, according to me, is very, very serious, my lord. My lord, I want a flap. My lord, we have the forensic examination report. I will not read it, my lords. But one thing, my lord, is admitted. When the girl was found at 9:30, I'm sorry, but her jeans were removed and even the undergarments were removed and were lying somewhere nearby. So she was in a semi-nude condition. It is also an admitted position now that there were injury marks on the body and other my lord, areas. Now, your lordships may kindly see report. Give me copies. And this, my lord, this is a forest, my lord, your lordships may mark. They have taken the samples. They have sent it to an FSL in West Bengal, and this is the result. And
CFSL,
CFSL West Bengal.
Central Lab, not
Yes, yes, correct,
FSL.
correct. I'm not on anything else. वो कहाँ है दूसरा? हाँ, यहाँ पे लगा. Lord, I have only one copy right now. Please see this, my lord. This is serious, and the CBI has taken a decision to send the samples, collect, my lord, to AIMS and other, my lord, Central Forensic Science Laboratory. The person enters, the body parts are not covered, the lead girl is made nude, there are injury marks, and this is the result of FSL. Therefore, who took the samples becomes relevant. Kindly, my lord, have a look.
The injuries are all set out in the inquiry.
This, my lord.
So this is
Lord,
CCTV camera 16. CCTV.
Which is what is this document?
for my lord, Justice Padiwala and Justice Mishra also. Just give me a minute, I'm just flagging it, my lord.
Pardon.
of the the abstention from work of resident doctors of
Yes, Manoj.
medical colleges and hospitals across the state for 28 days, as a consequence of which the healthcare system is facing severe disruptions. Full stop. Paragraph 7 of the status report, paragraphs 7 and 8 of the status report, which has been filed by the Health Department of the state of West Bengal, are set out below. Copy down that. Next. We are of the view that before that we say the state of West Bengal must take necessary steps to create a degree of confidence, to create confidence in the minds of the
Doctors.
of the doctors, that their concerns in regard to security and safety are being duly attended to. Full stop. In order to ensure this, all the respective district collectors and superintendents of police shall take stock of the situation and ensure that necessary conditions have been created for ensuring the safety and security of all doctors in the government medical colleges and public hospitals, including, in order to ensure this, all the respective district collectors and superintendents of police shall take stock of the situation and ensure that necessary conditions have been created for ensuring the safety and security of all doctors in the government medical colleges and public hospitals, including, into brackets, provision of separate duty rooms for male and female personnel, semicolon, bracket 2, availability of toilet facilities for male and female personnel, semicolon, and bracket 3, the installation of CCTV cameras. Full stop. In the affidavit which has been in the status report, which has been filed on behalf of the state police, it has been indicated that funds have been sanctioned by the state of West Bengal for setting up additional CCTV cameras in the government medical colleges and hospitals, and for carrying out necessary structural work and for carrying out necessary work towards creating other attendant facilities for the doctors. Full stop. This shall be continuously monitored by the district collectors in conjunction with the superintendents of police. Full stop. In order to create a sense of confidence among the doctors, we also direct that in the event that the doctors report for duty within a period of on or before 5 p.m. tomorrow, no adverse action, no adverse disciplinary action shall be adopted by the state of West Bengal. Full stop. Moreover, in the event that any complaint is made for their abstention from work for the antecedent period, full stop. In the event that any further complaint is received in regard to the lack of safety or, as the case may be, security, such complaints shall be promptly attended to by the superintendents of police by making suitable arrangements with the local police stations concerned. However, if there is a continued abstention from work, despite the above facilities which have been directed to be put into place, there may be a likelihood of adverse action being adopted in the future, which may best be obviated by the return to work. Full stop. the resident doctors must be aware of, cannot be oblivious to the needs of the general community whom they are intended to serve and should reciprocate by returning back to work within this period. Which
Milord, may give us-
Milord, may I just?
Milord,
One second, hold on, I have not yet finished. Milord, allow me.
assist one aspect. One, we are only 2% of the doctor force. We are just junior doctors. So the senior
But
doctors.
you can't say others are working, so we need not work.
No, I'm not.
You have to get back to work.
I'm unsafe. I'm only saying, give me 3 days, and let them put an affidavit of
We are giving you 2
compliance
days.
in place.
Yeah, we are giving you 2 days. We have asked them within these 2 days for them to take necessary steps. That's why we didn't say today. We have given until 5 p.m. tomorrow, right?
Milord, may I now? What is all this is? What is-
But one of the most associated with that a boy died out of.
Anyway, look, we are not here to either lend a ear to the politicization of the matter or other. All that we want to, 1 second, we want to ensure that due security and safety is provided to the doctors, but equally, the young doctors must now return to work and attend to their patients.
Well, one second, I haven't finished. Just allow me, please. I'm on my, yeah. Well, let's see what the protection is. Well, let's see page 73.
We know what is happening on the ground. All that we want to assure the doctors is,
Yes.
first, return to work. We have said that the district collectors and the superintendents of police will monitor the situation. They shall provide adequate facilities to ensure their safety and security. They must now come back to work. You can't say that, well, others are on work, therefore we will not
No,
work.
that's not at all an argument.
But
I'm just saying that.
equally, we have put everybody on notice that if they do not return to work,
Yes.
then please don't hold anybody responsible if disciplinary action is taken, because
Lord,
we
we are
can't prevent
more
any
than
government
willing
from.
to work if we are working outside.
Hold
But
on, hold on. May I finish? Milord,
may I say one thing?
What? I haven't finished, my dear.
There is a threat.
Take your turn
And I-
after lunch.
Ms. Luthra, we have therefore taken care of your submission on the threat. We have
Yes,
said
yes.
that.
My Lord, the names of the miscreants, can I give it to the solicitor?
Give it to Mr. Solicitor.
Yes, my Lord.
Yes.
There are several miscreants in this hospital itself.
Well,
We are
let's-
giving
well,
the
let's-
names to the solicitor.
Milord, may I finish, Milord? Now kindly turn to page 73, Milord, of the police status report.
So what is that?
Well, just have a look at it, Milord. There are some photographs your lordships will see, Milord.
Yes.
Give it to my lord.
One second. You filed it, right?
Yes, we filed it. Therefore, I'm saying, yesterday we filed it, we circulated. We have hard copy now, Milord.
Status report by Kolkata Police.
Page 73, Milord. Annexure 44.
Sir,
It may be given
44.
to us, otherwise I'm not.
It only goes on to Annexure A37.
No.
For page 73.
Page 44, page 73. We've got hard copies. Just have a look at it, Milord.
Very small.
PDF
78.
PDF should be 78, I believe, Milord.
Anything else left? That's, he's dealing with. Threat culture.
On the ground, Milord.
therefore we've asked the doctors to come back to work first and foremost. And we've seen this as well.
Yes. Okay. Now, Milord, then two more things. Number one, Milord, there should be no protest without an application to hold the protest, and the route to, they just hold the protest without informing anybody.
In our last order, we have clarified that when we said that you will not take any action against peace.
सुनो सुनो आ गया आरबीआई का अल्टीमेट क्विज चैलेंज
90 इयर्स का है सेलिब्रेशन और आरबीआई लाया अंडर ग्रेजुएट स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एक सुपर ऑल इंडिया क्विज।
मुकाबला है मजेदार, करो तैयारी जोरदार। होंगे लेवल्स 4 और हर लेवल पर
मिलेंगे प्राइजेस जोरदार।
कोई रजिस्ट्रेशन फीस भी नहीं।
सारी डिटेल्स आरबीआई के वेबसाइट पर।
आरबीआई 90 क्विज,
सीखो खेलो जीतो।
Your time has come.
Not this place.
That letter, it was categorically all the necessary information was served upon the police with regard to randomly the mark that is going to be.
No, no, no.
Everywhere. All statements have been made by them.
Well, which court are we in, Bharat?
Unleash their courts. No regulatory.
Well, this.
Kolkata police, not the West Bengal police, they did nothing on the part of the regulatory.
All right.
And it's beyond duty.
One last word, and then we are going to rise for lunch. We want to ensure that the doctors resume work.
Only one thing, madam.
Doctors are in the system to render service to the patients. We will provide every kind of measure of security to the doctors, but they have to reciprocate. We have said that no adverse action shall be taken.
Yes, please.
My lords, if they are also protesting and joining work.
We have CCTV footage. Bharat.
When we said that no, one second, we said that, why don't you hear what we said? We said that no adverse action shall be taken against the doctors. Mr. Sibal, please ensure that those of the doctors who resume work, please don't take any action.
It's our duty. It's our duty, Bharat. It's our duty. This gentleman who is before your lordships, I have got videos, photographs, he's throwing stones.
Lordship, there has been
This gentleman.
Lordship, a threat culture has been established.
Mr. Sibal, Leonard Senior Counsel, states that no action, including punitive transfers, shall be adopted against the doctors who return to work in terms of the directions and stipulations.
Lordship, the peaceful protesters also, right?
And IA.
Bharat, kindly see.
Because the individual who was found to throw stones.
Yeah.
This sort of submissions come from
Can you one second. Are you trying to address the gallery outside the court?
That's what he's doing.
1 second. Can we just, I've been noticing your demeanor for the last 2 hours. Can you first lower your pitch?
I'm sorry.
Please lower. 1 second. Listen to the Chief Justice. Don't raise your voice. Lower your pitch.
My lord.
Second, you are addressing 3 judges in front of you, not the large audience which is watching this proceedings on the video conferencing platform. 2, Mr. Sibal's statement. We can't start recording every police officer's statement here, right? Mr. Sibal is representing the state of West Bengal. We have recorded that there will be no adverse action, including punitive transfer. You said transfers. We have said, therefore, no punitive transfer shall be resorted to. Right? Therefore,
one thing. Lordship, the peaceful protesters.
The last thing is the application we have filed.